Liana. Welcome back to my channel and to part 2 of this beautiful nocturne by Chopin, E flat major, Op.9 number 2. We are to section B on this one. I'm not sure what measure is that, but I will let you know in a second. Again, welcome back. I'm happy to see you back. Okay, in this tutorial we're going to talk again about left hand interpretation, how to create a beautiful line, a beautiful legato, and how to make this music sounds like music, not like notes, plain notes. Okay, so let's get started. We are on our, okay, so we having what measure? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We're starting with measure number 9, okay? It's this part. It's not, so you do know about the left hand. I already told you in the first tutorial. Please watch that one. I'm gonna repeat a second, need to know very good the distances, here and, okay, how to do this. Left hand, you're gonna highlight the bass, a lot of explanation about this. Again, it's in part 1, right? So, and learn this. So I'm just gonna give you one example and then move on. This one. Okay? You see how I'm coming fast? So why I'm practicing this? Because you gotta arrive to the second beat. Before the beat, so you are able to really play it soft. So don't do this. No. So you see, very on the key, feel the weight of the key and go very soft into it, right? Together notes. Don't do this. So make sure they are together. You prepare your fingers. You think, that means preparation. You think, add them together and together. Together and together. Right, together and together. That's how you need to do it. I'm gonna take one more, like this one. Yes, this one is a little, you see I'm coming, prepare and go soft. Right? So, in this tutorial, now we're going into the right hand because it's section B. Section B. And listen here, we're having a poco ritardando, very little ritardando, that you have 3 beautiful notes, actually 4 E's, but 3 plus 1. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1. So you can do a little crescendo here, but definitely stretch it, or I would say milk it, right? It's beautiful. forte, right? In which we're having a forte and a tempo. That means you go back. So after you stretched here, piano, piano, and more. Sorry, I messed up. And conclusion, transition. So here I would say, so the guy is telling you how the story went. But he was frustrated about something because here it really didn't like. It's like, I wish to have been different. But this is how it went, and I cannot say anything about it. I am just, this is how it went. Even though I wish to have been different. So right now, section A is coming back, but in this time it's definitely it is a sforzando, right? So it's more agitated, you know. It will have much more notes in this one, so you will start with a beautiful arpeggiato. Don't do it this. Yeah, so make it again, milk it. Piano, again, our portent. Piano. And star piano. And right now, let's talk about this one. Right? So this one, so you have pita. So before you had first time in section A. That was one. Second ending it was and right now you have a third one in which he is actually doing a bunch of notes. I don't know how many there are. 2, 4, 6, 8, 13 notes. With a chromatic scale. Right? Ending with a little triplet on the end. Right? So this one, it needs to be like veiled of notes, you know, like really light, but not bright, right? I don't know what. I'm doing this fingering. So I think I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm doing right. Yeah, I'm doing a number 2 here. Right? So to the end you have double E, ta da ti da da ti. So pay attention the last E to be softer than the first E. Tim, ti, da. I'm happy you're here, and let's go to our third part. It's coming third part, and I'm gonna go all the way to our coda because there are a couple of things there that I would like to share with you. Alright? Thank you so much. Please again like, share, and subscribe, and help me grow this channel. Thank you so much.